Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Infiniti G37. First, locate the cruise control buttons on your steering wheel, typically on the right side. Press the on/OFF button to activate the system. Once the system is on, accelerate to your desired cruising speed, which must be above 25 miles per hour for the system to engage. This prepares your vehicle for setting the speed. To set your speed, simply press the SET button once you've reached your desired velocity. You'll see an indicator light on your dashboard confirming it's active. To fine-tune your speed, tap RES Plus to increase or SET to decrease by 1 mile per hour. For quicker adjustments, hold either button down and the speed will change more rapidly. This allows for precise control. There are a few ways to cancel cruise control. You can press the cancel button on the steering wheel or simply tap your brake pedal lightly. Both actions will disengage the system without turning it completely off. If you wish to resume your last set speed, press the RES Plus button. This is convenient for temporary speed reductions, like when navigating traffic. For your safety, avoid using cruise control in heavy traffic, on winding roads, or during adverse weather conditions like rain or snow. Always remain alert and ready to take full control of your vehicle at any moment. Familiarize yourself with your Infiniti G37 specific cruise control features and limitations to ensure a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Drive responsibly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.